Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to receive money on Skrill. To receive money, just share your Skrill registered email address or phone number with the sender. That's all they need to transfer funds to your account. Once the sender completes the transfer, you will get an instant notification in your Skrill account. Now log into your Skrill account to check your updated balance. The funds will appear right away. You can also receive money from merchants like partner websites directly to your Skrill wallet. It's fast and secure. While Skrill doesn't charge a fee for this, some merchants might, so check with them in advance. And that's it. Thanks for watching.